Alright guys, so I'm out here in the woods and I have the Clacks again, and I wanted to do another demo on some green wood because the first video I did, I don't think a lot of people understood it was just one portion of a long list of testing. Alright, so I'll give you guys a couple different camera angles here. Hopefully the GoPro is working. Alright, so here we have some green wood. This Clacks is again hand tightened, okay? So it's not overkill. I'm not using any kind of tool. If I were to pack this Clacks, I would probably pack something I can use to, tighten that even further. But this is just hand tight, all right? So here we go. I got some green wood. Let's give it a shot. See, it's biting a heck of a lot deeper, in something like this green wood. And even through, tons of swings, it doesn't feel like it's getting much looser than it was the first time. So there we go. And for all the people out there who are worried that I'm wasting a beautiful tree, this is going in the fire. Shot. It's biting a heck of a lot deeper, in something like this green wood. And even through, tons of swings, it doesn't feel like it's getting much looser than it was the first time. So one of the other advantages here, obviously, is that when you remove it from its handle, okay, just by unscrewing this, put these tabs back in place. Alright, you have your hand tool. Alright, that's one of the other advantages of this over a traditional hatchet, is that secondary blade here. Alright, so you use this in this manner. Alright. It's actually biting deeper than I want it to. It's putting too much pressure downwards. Of course, with smaller sticks, you can use this to make feather sticks. Alright, maybe save the edge on your main blade. So part of the allure here, again, is a multi-tool. Although this does perform as a hatchet head, It is also multi-tool with a spare knife on the side. All right, and you flip it around and you have that gut hook, which can also be good for cutting cord. All right, so stay tuned. I will do a full review of the Clacks when I'm completely done. So anyway, I just wanted to make a point that my first video was just a demo because people asked for more testing videos. It wasn't a review on this. I do have a full review coming on the Clacks. All right, stay tuned for that. I still have a lot more testing I want to do though before I get to a review. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you soon.